Yo, what is up? It is your boy Izzy9X back at it with another video today. Before we hop in the video, I just want you to look around my interior. What is different? If you've been keeping up with the channel, so if you're subscribed, if you smash that subscribe button, you'll notice something is different in my interior, besides the interior swap, of course. If you're guessing the headliner, you are right. So as you know, all the pre-facelift BMW E90s and E92s come with the dingy old gray headliner. It literally just makes no sense. For me, I had a black interior, and the gray headliner is just nasty because it gets all dingy and all nasty from you touching it, touching the mirrors. Over time, it starts turning brown and discoloring and sagging. It's just nasty. It doesn't match the car at all, especially if you have a black interior. It makes no sense to have black and then gray. So I thought to myself, what if I painted it black? If you use spray paint, it gets all crusty and it's really hard to get the smell of spray paint out of your car. When it gets hot outside or hot inside your car, it starts making your entire car smell like spray paint. So I thought maybe I could use some sort of fabric dye. Well guys, in the car world, there's something for everything, and I found it. Duplicolor vinyl and fabric paint. This right here is the flat black color. I did not want to get the gloss black color for obvious reasons. I don't need a glossy headliner, that would just look whack. And so I bought this stuff right here just to test it out. So I went ahead, I went to my local AutoZone, I bought 1 can of this stuff. I was honestly so surprised. Application is super simple. Basically apply this almost like plastic dip. Start off with a very misty coat, very light coat, just to get it to adhere properly, and keep coating over and over on whatever you're trying to paint until it gets to the shade of darkness that you like. So y'all can see right here, I painted this pillar. I even painted the little airbag cover right here, but y'all can see I painted this whole pillar. I painted basically everything, guys. I painted this module right here for the light module. I got a piece of paper right here and I pushed it back to block all of this, just so I could paint this part black. I painted all my A-pillars there, the cover there. I painted the mirrors, so I'll actually show you the mirror. Bam, painted the mirror. It even turned, I got all of this to get black. I went ahead, removed this, used a little flathead screwdriver to get out the clear part, and painted this cover right here, and of course it still works. Bam, light still comes on. Painted everything that could be painted. This trim piece here worked on, the handles even, you can see the handle, black. Like the rear console right here, the little cover back there, the main headliner. This stuff right here is the real deal. And it says, ideal use for dashboards, door panels, center consoles, trims, and seats. So basically, guys, this stuff right here isn't only good for fabric, it's good for everything. If you wanted to, heck, I could paint over this right here. I could paint my door cards if I wanted to. Of course, I'm not going to. They're in perfect shape. No point doing that. But you could, if you had like a gray interior, your dashboard, if you just use it how it's supposed to be used, if you apply it in light coats, let it dry about 5 to 10 minutes in between each coat, and then go heavier and heavier, this stuff really works. I left all my headliner out to dry for about a day or two just to get that smell out, because like I said, the paints and dyes gets really strong. If you just slap it in your car and it turns hot the next day, your entire car is going to be like a gas chamber, and you do not want that. You don't want to get lightheaded or something while you're driving. And it took me about 4 or 5 cans to do everything. I did my entire headliner. I did the freaking sunroof. I did the little sunroof handle. I popped it out. I did the little trim piece right here. You can see the little sunroof trim piece right here. I did that. Like I said, I did all of the little consoles. So I did this console. I did the rear console over here. A-pillars, the B-pillars, C-pillars, all the little caps right there. As long as you just let this stuff dry for the appropriate amount of time, like guys, this stuff really works. So I highly recommend it. Definitely worth $7 a can. Now I have the black on black. This is how a car is supposed to look. Black on gray makes no sense. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and hop out the car and give y'all a little overtake just so y'all can see everything. Matches so much better now. You get like the full little cocoon, so when you drive at night it all mixes in, just looks freaking great. Definitely worth it. Huge thumbs up. Highly recommend that spray. Well guys, that's gonna do it. I know a whole bunch of you guys out in the comments were asking me about black headliner, hitting me up on Instagram asking me if it's something that you could DIY. It definitely is, guys. 5 out of 5 stars. I highly recommend this Duplicolor vinyl and fabric spray. Works freaking amazing. Definitely changes the entire driving dynamic. Now, instead of having the nasty gray headliner that catches your eye like an eyesore, you have this all black around you, and it kind of cocoons around the driver and just makes it more of like a cockpit. So it is overall just better driving experience, and it looks way better. Guys, if y'all like this video, go ahead and drop a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, what are y'all waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button so I can keep all these nice little DIYs and upgrades coming out to y'all. If you have any questions on how to use this Duplicolor vinyl spray, just go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll give you a step-by-step. As always, I love y'all and thank y'all for the support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.